Hey everybody, this is Dan Morsair again, and today I'm going to review something a little bit different from my usual. This is, it's another model kit, but this time it's not One Piece at all. This is, I think it's called the Guardian Robot from the film Laputa, or Castle in the Sky as it's known here in the US, which is of course a Studio Ghibli film directed by Hayao Miyazaki, and this here is done by Fine Molds. Looks like it's 1/20th scale. It's a nice looking box, got some of the original artwork there. There you can see the Ghibli sticker. You can't read it, but it says approved by Studio Ghibli. Also comes with a little figure of, I think his name was Patsu, who's the main character of the movie. Caution, this is not a toy. Just in case you were thinking this was a toy, well, it's not a toy, so you better be careful, because it's not a toy. Yeah. And then take a look at the stuff that is within. Here's some stuff, and some more stuff. See, here's the little guy. It's a lot bigger than I thought he would be. Actually, I kind of forgot that it even came with this. And then there's the main stuff for the robot. And then of course the manual, which is very important. And it looks like it actually comes with some instructions in English, which is nice. Apparently Fine Molds realizes that not just Japanese people buy this stuff. Then again, if you don't know how to read English, then, or Japanese, then I guess you're just screwed all together. But anyways, now I'm going to put it together, and then someday in the future there will be a review, and then I'll actually put this up online. But anyways, and maybe when I do the review, it won't be quite so gloomy outside. Yeah, let's hope for that. Okay, and now he's all together, and yeah, it's still kind of gloomy outside. But anyways, and I got them all together, and I have to say, I really like this guy. He's pretty cool. I mean, he's got a lot of joints and stuff, can pretty much move anything. His head will move, his arms can go up and down and rotate, and the segments have little movement to them too. The waist as well, and not that much movement to the legs, but well, there's not much you can really do with them anyways. I mean, he needs the legs in order to be able to stand. But yeah, also he has this his little emblem there, which is kind of hard to see. And there's some translucent red plastic there, as well as in his eye thingy, which you can't really see at all. But anyways, not too difficult to put together. I did have some trouble here and there. Obviously, as you can see, you really don't need to paint him at all. I mean, he looks fantastic without paint. Looks pretty much just like the robot from the series. I mean, it's just a brown robot anyways, so it doesn't really matter. This guy, on the other hand, doesn't really look that great unpainted. Of course, I'm never really gonna bother painting it anyways, so I don't really care, but it's just kind of an extra thing it comes with anyways. It comes with stickers for the eyes, which is interesting. And it's not bad looking, but of course it's not painted, so I'm not going to paint it, because I'm not going to go out and buy paints to like paint a tiny little figure anyways. But yeah, I recommend this guy. He's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not even like Castle in the Sky. Not even really one of my favorite Miyazaki movies. I think I only really saw it once. But I just kind of saw it up for pre-order and like, hey, that's kind of cool. Maybe I'll get it. And I did. And I'm glad I did. So, yeah. It's cool. Buy me. I mean, just think of all the kinds of cool stuff you can do. Like, you can make him wave. Or, wave with both hands. Okay, yeah, I'm not being very creative here. Anyways, that was my review of the Guardian robot thingy. That's another thing. When I was putting it together, my niece kept asking me, "What's its name? What's its name?" It doesn't have a name. She just doesn't get it. And I'm not going to name it. Anyways, yeah. That's it for this here review, so until next time, this is De Morsaire, and goodbye.